the first item, alignment of food additives provision of commodity standard, this report is prepared by an electronic work group for the first one. This work is initiated by IDF, Dairy Federation, conducted initial these works. And these works are also taken in CCFA55 and in 53 and 54. And in this work will be taken in consideration in the CCFA 55. It's clear? The key objectives of this report is the clarification of restriction of use, special for additives, and also harmonization between general standard and specific standard products or specific products. Many annexes are given in this report summary. You can see it in the document published documents. The key updates of food additives provisions in general food standard concern the specific alignment with general standard and the clarification and restriction of use additives for use additives. This report for working group offers a comprehensive strategy to ensure alignment of food additives provision, and he recommends to continued efforts to address other issues, particularly in harmonizing regional variations and ensuring technical clarity in the general standard. For these processes, harmonization is it's recommended to finalize this work and to focus on refining additives categorization and regular reviews and updates on general standards specific in table 3. In the same context, the agenda item number 9 concern discussion paper on the working practices and the engagement plan to avoid divergence between general standard of food additives, commodity standards, and other related codex tests. This work is initiated in 2010 in CCFA 42 and also continued in other session of CCFA. In CCFA 55 the CCFA 55 is invited to review the discussion documents concerning the practice to harmonize the harmonization practice. The guideline concern the general standard food additives as a single reference points, and also focused on collaborative engagement between committees. Two options are proposed there. The first one concerns commodity. The work will be elaborated by commodity or regional committees. The second one concerns another text prepared by CCFA, another approach. CCFA will prepare the first draft of the provisions. The first one, in the first one, the initial drafts will be prepared by committee, regional committee for products, and we will have collaborative works between food additive experts and commodity committees to reduce delay. This work will be submitted for CCFA, and after that will be proposed for endorsement and adoption by CAC. This option is efficient, but we have some weakness, like resources intensive, like time consumption, and high risk of divergence. The second one, the work will be submitted the requests will be submitted by commodity or regional committees. The drafts will be, the work will be supported by CCFA and working group. Working group will be created. And after that, the work will be approved by CCFA and submitted for final adoption by CAC. This second option is also efficient, but we have also some weakness, like limited commodity specific imports, and also can reduce committees engagement and increase the CCFA workload. So the electronic group was recommendation concern one suggestion to move forward with either option 1 or option 2, and to call for the development of a communication and engagement plan to get interaction between committees. But Arab Codex Initiative may recommend another option, is an hybrid model, who balance between more efficient and consistent in objective to balances expertise, reduce delay, ensure consistency, and also is more flexible, but because work for both sample, it can be, the applicability is more efficient for both simple and complex amendments. These hybrid models are combined between option 1 and option 2 can also can be presented with these slides. The drafting documents will be prepared by commodity or regional committees so we have a specific expertise. And early we have collaboration between CCFA and experts in additives, in food additives. So after that, the document will be presented to CCFA for final review and endorsement for technical consistency, and the final adoption will be presented for discussed by CAC. Donc, so this hybrid approach could combine the strengths of both options 1 and 2, balancing the need for technical consistency with the importance of commodity and or also specific expertise. Thank you for your attention.